JBS USA plans to close 2 facilities in Pennsylvania and Tennessee and a portion of another Tennessee site in a move expected to eliminate more than 2,000 jobs. According to a WARN notice, the company will lay off 1,485 workers at its beef production facility near Philadelphia. ABC 24 Memphis reported that the closure of the value-added Empire packing site in Tennessee will affect 208 jobs. Additionally, JBS-owned Pilgrim's Pride plans to close Chattanooga's harvesting operation and lay off 348 employees as part of a $75 million expansion in Ellijay, Georgia. JBS said its nationwide network would absorb production from the Philadelphia and Memphis locations. Meanwhile, Pilgrim said its changes will increase harvesting and portioning capacity in Georgia, enabling the facility to produce a broader mix of boneless chicken products. The company will continue to use Chattanooga's deboning infrastructure to support the expansion, and added that the project would not impact the region's grower base. JBS USA said the closures represent a strategy focused on modernization, growth, and long-term competitiveness. CEO Wesley Batista-Filo said that the company is, quote, investing where we are growing and making difficult adjustments where needed. JBS Beef North America reported an adjusted operating income loss of $279.4 million in its Q1 2026 earnings report, compared to a $158.4 million loss a year ago. The segment said rising live cattle prices outpaced the change in cutout values due to limited cattle availability. It also cited continued restrictions on live cattle imports from Mexico. I'm Nolan Beilstein. This is Manufacturing Now.